morning everyone, my name is Charlene Sophia C. Sibayan from grade 6 Emilio Aguinaldo. Today I'll be sharing with you guys what I have learned about mixtures in science. This is the topic that I will be discussing in this video. 1. What is mixture? 2. What is the difference between a homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture? 3. Difference of solution, colloids, and suspension and its examples. What is mixture? A mixture is a physical combination of two or more substances without the presence of a chemical connection between them. When combined, each of the elements maintain their own characteristics and are frequently physically separable. There are two types of mixture. It's called homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. A homogeneous mixture is a mixture in which components are uniformly distributed throughout the mixture. This means that no matter where you sample the mixture, the composition will be the same. For example, salt water, where the salt is dissolved completely in the water, making it look like a single substance. The other examples are air, a mixture of gases, and vinegar, a mixture of acetic acid and water. We have heterogeneous. Heterogeneous mixture is a mixture in which the components are not uniformly distributed, meaning that different parts of the mixture can have different composition and properties. The example of this mixture is a salad, where the different ingredients like lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumber are easily distinguishable. Another example is oil and water, where the two liquids do not mix evenly and form separate layers. The difference between solution, colloids, and suspension are based on the size of particles, how the components are mixed, and how stable the mixture is. One solution, a homogeneous mixture where one substance is completely dissolved in another with the particles too small to see. For example, sugar dissolved in water. The sugar solute dissolves completely in the water solvent, forming a homogeneous mixture where the sugar particles are too small to be seen. Number 2 is colloid. This is a mixture where small particles are dispersed throughout another substance and particles do not settle out but scatter light. Example of colloid is whipped cream. It consists of gas bubbles dispersed in a liquid forming a mixture where the particles are small enough to remain evenly distributed and scatter light, but they do not settle out. The last is suspension. This is a heterogeneous mixture where larger particles are suspended in a liquid or gas and will eventually settle out. All of a suspension. Sand in water. The sand particles are large enough to be visible and will eventually settle at the bottom if left undisturbed, making it a heterogeneous mixture. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have a great day. Bye!